So I have this adorable little hummingbird stamp. You know, it's the kind of stamp that you put in ink and put on that, and you get the stamp, right? I've never done this before, but I'm going to try to use it as an inlay. And I have a little flower, and then I have a little sign that says, "Enjoy life." My motto. What I'm doing here is I bought some of this stuff that is like you hang up indoors and you hang up for parties and stuff. I just hit my arm on there. Let's see if we can get this back down here, and let's see if we can not breathe. And ooh, 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 got way too much in there. Oh, chocolate chips. All right, let me just pour a little bit on top of this. Not like I didn't have an emergency or something going on there, right? Wow, okay. All right, the reason that I put these little pieces of plastic that I cut up into this is I want to fill the rim with these colors right now because this camera is literally my third eye. Not gonna work. I kind of like the angle that you guys get to see. You get even though you get to see all my mess, and but it's not really a mess. It's my projects. You get to see everything. Okay, so what I want to do. Oh. Okay, hi. I'm just jumping in here to tell you that this is going to be about 10, 15 seconds maybe because this part was just so boring. Ooh, one thing is, I saw two houses now that have chickens, and one of the houses has chickens right in their front yard. So I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I could go get a chicken. Oh, that would make me so happy. Not just because the eggs are so delicious, but chickens are very compassionate animals. They just love you so much. They follow you around. They're just like sit on your lap and coo. They make little sweet sounds when they're sitting on your lap. And yeah, I still have Ripley. I still have my dog. For all you that don't know, he's old and dying, and I think he's a zombie. I think he already did die, and is just hanging on, hanging on. But yeah, because he's been really, 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 really sick, and then all of a sudden he's fine, and then really sick, and then he's fine, and then sick and fine, and sick and fine, and I think he's a zombie. Yeah, I really do. Okay. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. Look at that. That's gonna be so cute. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Before this stuff warms up, what else do I want to do? Do I want to put some black in here? Is that black? Is that black or is that blue? I want some more of this though for my thing right there. So I want to save some of that. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put some black in here. Not too much. Not too much. You don't need much. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm just gonna fill up this skull because it has the beautiful, that's resin. You know, this is, oh, it's so translucent, but that's okay. I don't care. I was not even going to do this tonight, I was feeling kind of sad. I don't know why. I'm having a few issues with the people I love, my friends, and it's not their fault. It's just me deciding to bring up my issues. It makes me a little sad. But you know what? I still love them. They know that. I know they love me. And I have chocolate chips and a cracker. Uh, my guardian angels just knocked over the power supply. Like, just shut up, Karla. Just shut up. Heard. Can you hear me? Heard loud and clear. Yes, I am very odd tonight. I know. It's been a very emotional day. One of those days I just wish I had stayed in bed all day. All day. Let me see if sometimes this backside here just gets so bad with the bubbles. But this is just a look and see if this will work. I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know. Okay. So hopefully these little things are going to stay in here, and I'm going to run this around the sides. Kick off the bubbles, get rid of the bubbles. And I am going to pour. I want these little sticker stamps to stay down. Okay, I'm going to pour this clear right in the center. I'm going to pour it on top of these stamps, actually. Maybe that will help. Like, give them the idea. Yeah, you're not going anywhere. I just want you to stay right there. And then after this layer sets, I will take out the inlays and use some very colorful mica powders. Yeah, you'll see that in the next thing. Let's see, can we get that closer? But you know what, you can't really see in how pretty, like, oh, do not fall over. Do not. Do not. There you go, you can see. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go put this in the this thing. My goodness. Do not fall over. But you can see how pretty that is now, right? Woohoo! Look how pretty that's gonna be. See if I can get this little light thing I got here. See the colors in there? Just see how pretty that's gonna be. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I need to talk over here to the microphone. If you can't hear me, you're lucky. All right, I'm gonna put this on the chiller. Nope, the heater, the wax, you know what I mean. And I'll be back when it's ready to go to the next step. I just decided to put this bird in here. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, nope, you can't see it at all because this one's in the way. So I'm going to put this bird here. My dog just decided right now to need to go potty. Honey, can you just wait a few seconds, please? And I'm going to pour this over this almost clear, slightly black, over the top of this. I don't know what's going to happen. Don't know. I want to get some sleep tonight. I want to get up tomorrow and I want to do that video with the thing that I got from my Amazon wish list because I'm so excited. I just want to share. I just want to scream. Oh my God. So excited. I already looked at it, so I already know what it is. But when I tell you, just pretend like you don't know, okay? Just pretend like you don't know what it is. I just couldn't wait. Oh, I just couldn't wait. I could not wait. Which reminds me, oh my goodness, weird memories. When we lived in St. Louis, Missouri, I had gone down into our basement looking for uh, everything. I was a nosy kid, nosy kid. And I found at Christmas time a sled, a big red sled. And the stupid me told my mom or my dad, I think I told my mom, there's a big sled in the basement. And my dad was so mad. He goes, okay, now you don't get it. And you know what? I didn't get it. I did not get the sled. I think I would understand that if I had been told, stay out of the basement, don't go looking for stuff. But that's where my little tiny black and white TV was, in the basement. You know, like that's where I watched The Wizard of Oz all by my freaking self in the first grade because my sister had mumps or something and the doctor came to our house. Yes, this is after Little Prairie days. The doctor came to our house. Yeah, if you can believe that. But I had to stay down in the basement, and I remember do 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 those freaking flying monkeys. They're so scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And the witch on top of the house. Oh, in the forest. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yep. Okay, well, just another walk down memory lane. And it might not mean a lot to most of you. You might be like, oh, yeah, yeah, I remember that, I remember that. But you know what? Something tells me that my kids, which are not kids anymore, they're young adults, and their kids, if they have kids, or their spouses, children, whatever, it's a new world we're living in, that this will mean something to them. Because they'll go, oh my God, it's Grandma's birthday. Let's listen to Grandma's YouTube videos. Yeah, I don't have any grandkids right now. I have a grand kitty. I have a grand kitty, and that's it. My son and his wife, they don't have any animals or children. Same category. And my daughter, she has a cat that I love. Frankie. She's the cutest kitty. I love her. I love to go babysit her. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have right now. Which I'm okay with that. I don't want my kids to have kids. If they don't want kids, I don't want them to feel pressured because there's nothing worse than being a kid that your parents really didn't want and really have no desire to spend any time with. That sucks. Sucks. Sucks so hard. So anyway, yeah, don't feel sorry for me that I don't have grandkids. Because I'm gonna get a guinea pig and a chicken, and I'm gonna move from here if I ever get enough money to get a little shack somewhere. I don't even care. Obviously, after living here, it doesn't even have to have plumbing except for a toilet. I don't even care. Little shack where I can have some goats and a chicken and guinea pigs and cats and dogs and rescue, all the little moo moo cows and stuff that people don't want. I want them. I'll take them. I will take them. All right. Yahoo. I am, my dog is doing the cha-cha-cha, which means I don't think he's hungry. It probably means he has to go pee. I needed a little bit more of this over this little bird. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Ripley, quit doing the cha-cha. Stop doing the cha-cha. Stop, please. I don't even want to answer my phone tonight because I've been kind of nasty to my people I love. I'm not nasty. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. Yeah, a little bit. They're probably a little bit in shock, like, uh-oh. What's wrong with Karla? Why is she being a little aggressive with her opinions and her attitude? And honestly, I don't know. Just am. All right, I gotta take care of my dog. He's flipping out. I'll be back. Oh, well, hello, I'm back. I think I may have messed this up. I'm gonna do my best. Yeah, uh, I guess I just have to finish these, unmold them when they're done, and then pull out the inlays, and then I don't know what from there. I don't know. Because I guess you're supposed to be able to pull the inlays out. And I should be able to when I'm done, but then what? You fill them up again? That makes no sense to me. So I guess I'm going to have to find some videos because Google. I want to use a resin color. It's kind of red. So why not make it blue? I don't know. Because maybe then the color will come out like a lavender. And this wing on this little bird, part of it will be blue. And I think, of course, what else would I put in here, even if it doesn't work? Glitter, glitter. You can't see what I'm doing. I put in some drops. I'm sticking to everything, and I'm putting in some glitter. Walmart glitter. Woohoo, I love this stuff. $3.44 maybe now. I don't know. It's still under $4. All right, since I have so much glitter and it's a back coat, it might have bubbles, but if it does, it does, and if it does, it does, and it probably will. All right, so I'm just gonna pop this up to the top if I can, and I hope I can. I hope there's enough. I don't know about mixing resins. I have a lot of the hardeners left, and I don't know. I heard one person say, oh, no, the hardeners are specific to the type of resin. I heard another person say, oh yeah, you can mix and match. And just left me confused. I'm just confused. I think this will be fine. I don't think that's gonna, I think it's gonna be just perfect. All right. I don't know what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the mess. The mess. Okay. I'm crossing my fingers, and I know I'm still gonna have to do more stuff on that one, but okay. Oh, this is okay. So this is less resin. This is not alcohol ink. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna put in a couple drops or more, and see how that looks. Translucent and beautiful. Put a lot in there. Put a lot. Why not? Why not? Okay. There should be enough to fill this mold up, and then in an hour, I'll be able to demold them. I think it should be about an hour on the heating tray. I didn't turn it off, so still nice and warm. I like this color. It's very, very, very pretty. Yeah, it makes me want to go to a pool. Alrighty. I just wonder what this looks like from the side before I do it. The color. Oh, look how cute those colors are. Oh, goody. Alrighty, so let's see. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour. Come on. Pour it from up a little bit. I think you can see better. Oh yeah. Wee. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Gonna have a flood. Uh-oh. Oh, no. There wasn't a lot of room in here, was there? Okay, don't breathe. Don't breathe. Don't move. Don't breathe. Okay, I am going to see if there are any bubbles hiding from me. And that's pretty good. I'll go here on this one. I think this one could use actually a little more. So maybe I should use some of this to kind of dome it up a little bit. How would it be the best way? Because this color might sink. Maybe. So I'll just do it like this. And we'll get some interesting whatever. I don't know. Woo! I love it when that, look at that, looks so cool. I don't know if you can see that, but I love it. Oh, gosh. Alrighty. Everything's a stick mess, but I will see you when I figure out what the heck I'm going to do with the front of these things. Okay, see you soon. Hi everybody, it's Karla. I hope you can hear me. I have allergies today. What's new? Sometimes I sound like the Wicked Witch of the West, and sometimes I sound like the one with the golden dress. Today's their cousin. Alright, so these are done. These are cured. This is the little one I poured real quick. I don't know if I even did it. Oh my goodness, why is it so hard to get out? I don't even know if I did it on camera, but I'll show you. It's a little tiny I don't know, little rock formation. Kind of cool how the glitter sank to the bottom of this one. I have my camera in a new position, so it's kind of cool, right? And it's kind of glittery. It actually looks, I mean, except for this bottom part here, almost looks realistic. In what world? Anyway, I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's very soft. Very, okay. Oh, this is, I poured this in resin. I didn't have quite enough, but I'm just going to go with it. I'm not going to mix up any more resin for this, because this is the mold that I made this skull out of, and I made this skull out of the eco resin, the ecology friendly, non-toxic, family friendly resin. And there was so much of this gold powder left in this mold, I thought, let's just see if I can pour some resin in there now and get the rest of that out. So I'll put down this one here, and then we'll see. Oh my goodness. Oh, but one good thing is my mold looks clean. Yes. Oh, good, because that mold was like this one. Okay, so now I need to pour more. See this one? This is the one where I made the pumpkin. The mold is so dirty. And the same with the dragon. And I did the bioresin. It like just took, I guess, what it needed and left the rest. Oh yeah, this is the little bioresin one that I made with that. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, I'm so happy that this mold is somewhat clean. And I'm also really happy that this came out like beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. That's the Let's Resin metallic powders, not mica, but powders. And I did the different colors. I think you can kind of see this is more of a gold, this is more of a bronze. Oh my gosh. See, you can't really see it on this one, but this one looks antique and awesome, and this looks like it should be the stick shift in some hot rod car, right? Doesn't it? Oh my god. I love them. Do you love each other? Kinda. Aww. Alright. Now to the tricky part, and I gotta figure out how to get these out of here. They're on this side, yeah. How do I get these out? Oh dear, oh dear. Okay, how do I do it? Don't want to ruin my stamp. Oh, here we go. Ooh! Yeah, because I don't want to ruin my stamps. A little bit of resin there, a little bit there. Ooh! Oh, good, good, good. Yay! The stamp is still in good shape. Woohoo! Okay. And oh, yeah, you can see that right there. Alright. Now let's try to do the other one. The other one has 3 stamps in it. Start down here at the tail. Oh! Look how much easier it gets. I guess because I'm not terrified to stick this little thing in there. I know it's going to be okay. Yeah, here we go. These are rubber stamps. Came off of this. You know, these are very inexpensive usually. And I just thought I'd give this a shot. I've never tried it before. And this is a hummingbird, and I love hummingbirds. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. Again, the little beak's got some overflow on it. There we go. but very, very, very usable still. Woohoo! Yahoo! Yahoo! Oh, okay. Let me try. Where's my tiny feathers? Get these little pieces off of here. Oh boy. It's gonna be fun to get that one off. Okay, there's a flower here. There we go. That came off, perfect. There's some words. It's sticking because it's not quite, not 100% cured. Cured enough to play with it, but not enough to, oh my goodness. Came out so easy that it says, what does it say? Enjoy life. Yes, yes, yes. Even when you're having bad days. Today's not a bad day for me. Started off bad because I didn't go to sleep till 5 o'clock in the morning. I got up at 11 and don't like waking up so late, but if you can't sleep, you can't sleep. The letters. Sorry, my throat is just so... I need to go see an allergist, but I need to do so many things, and I just haven't been in the mood to do anything except think about it. Usually I'll be like, I need to call and make an appointment with an allergist. And I'm like, yeah, I'll do it after I take a nap. Rubbing the little heads of my little skulls. Oh, this one that's out of the resin is so silky. You're a little rough, but you're just cute as can be. Yeah, I love my little scullies. Alrighty, I'm gonna put you on hold. Okay, well, we are back. I have had to switch over to voiceover because even though I have a fantastic mic that my daughter got me, I don't know what I did. I probably had one of the cables probably disconnected or something, but what I've done here is I've mixed up the J Diction 11121 resin, and I'm just gonna pour some in on the top of these, and what I'm gonna do is go around the areas where I have the mica so that the resin flows into those areas and not pour. I'm not going to pour directly into them so it doesn't float the mica, not until the end. And it's really not a lot to see here. I'm just going to put the coating on these. I'm not going to go all the way to the top. Yeah, and then I'm going to be back when they're cured. So just, you'll watch. Oh, right here, I noticed that I had left a little bit of mica on the uh the part of the mold I didn't want it, so I just was wiping it up. Yeah, things happen like this. and like that. But anyway, um, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop voice over. Stop doing this. Okay.
Okay, well, these are dry. And I think we have a hit and a miss. I guess we could start out with what I think is kind of a miss. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, when I set it down on some. Okay, so yeah, this one. Oh, I guess it goes like that. It doesn't look bad in the light. Um, I do have some. You see this stuff on the top here? It's where I sprayed it with the alcohol ink. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, see those little specks and stuff? And then right here, I poked it before it was done. So I think that spraying it with the alcohol gave it this milky, like the alcohol dried. Maybe because it's only 91%, maybe there's a percentage of water. But in the camera here, it looks okay. Yeah, with the lights and stuff. Oh, maybe that's what it needs. Oh, well, that's different, yeah. So that's not horrid, you know. I think it might need a black backing. But then again, that's just a shame about that crud look right there. And I've heard other people talking about that, like spraying the top with alcohol. I don't usually do coaster stuff though, so that's kind of a new surprise to me. Here's the other one, which I kind of like. Some of the mica came up here, but that's okay. It says enjoy life. You can tell it's a hummingbird. You can read enjoy life. But this looks like some kind of alien space monster from sea. Yeah, at least in the monitor. That's what it looks like. I think this one looks kind of cool though without the black. Might be the one needs the black and this one doesn't. Well, these are not stellar, but not everything that we make can be stellar. I do like this one. I really like this. Let me see something here. This camera is wackadoo. Let me see if I pull this back a little bit. Sorry, this is not done yet. This is like winding right now. I wonder. So I guess you guys can see this. It's if I don't move. See, it's not bad. It's really not bad, especially my first time ever using a stamp, an overlay. I got real like, well, what do I do now that I've got it in there? But I do like this holiday, whatever this stuff is. I do like this in the resin. This stuff. Yeah, I do like this in the resin a lot. It's not quite dry, but it's dry enough that won't hurt it. Because it just looks so pretty, doesn't it? And this one, yeah, this one has to be on the black for it to be okay. And this one's okay like that. I don't think this feels like it's ready at all. No, I don't think it's ready at all. Oh, this big one is. The small ones aren't. Maybe I got to move them on the heating plate. Maybe they weren't getting enough of the heat. Oh, this one's ready. Yahoo! Me and my butterflies. Love them. Love them, love them, love them. Oh, Oh, it's got antennas. Yahoo! Yep. So that came out exactly like I wanted it. All glitter, glitter, glitter. And it shines from both sides. So that's going to be really pretty. And catching the sun. Oh, yeah. I like it. Oh, yeah. Blind an airplane. All right. That's all I'm going to show you right now. And I do appreciate you being here. And sorry that these weren't great, but you know, we all make stuff that's got potential. And I'm loving this. Loving that top. Oh my goodness. But actually, you know, it's kind of old fashioned looking like that, isn't it? Kind of cool. Enjoy life. Hey, you all enjoy life, okay? Be kind to yourselves, please. Please love yourselves. Love the people around you. With their consent, of course. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Um, I love you guys, and I hope that you come back and join me again. And also, I just want to say thank you so much for everybody that has subscribed. We're getting closer to 500. We're not there yet, but we'll have to do something special when we hit the 500 mark. Yeah. Okay. Love you guys. I hope that you learned something. Maybe what to do, what not to do. Um, I think this has really got a lot of potential. And this one, I think, if I did it different next time I think I would only put the clear in the stamped area, not on the whole thing. Whoop whoop. Enjoy life. Bye guys. Catch you soon.